Can you raise your right hand? And do you swear that everything you're about to tell me is true and correct?
Yes.
Okay, this is an audio and visual recorded statement. This is an investigation involving multiple cases here. Can you just kind of give me a brief synopsis of what we have?
Yep, absolutely. So sometime in the beginning of 2024, I was notified by you in reference to subjects that were being reported thefts of and other type of like items at the beginning of the year, and then through notification of dates, times, potential locations, I was able to review video, corroborate everything, and then actually document numerous thefts.
Okay, and about how many thefts?
About 10.
Okay.
Known.
No theft. Okay, and you provided me video of these incidents, and can you attest that the video that you provided was an accurate depiction of each of the incidents, and was it not modified in any way?
No, it was not modified, and yes, it is a correct depiction.
Okay, all right, thank you. So we'll just go ahead and start. If you want to go through and give me a synopsis of each incident.
Yep, absolutely. I'm just going to pull up my list here so that way I have it. So the first notification that I essentially got reference to the thefts at CVS was on 3/17 at approximately 1852 hours at the address of 7534 Lake Worth Road. It referenced to a black male that had taken approximately without payment. Next one was on March 24th, 2024 at approximately 16:17 hours. CVS located at 3187 South Congress Avenue in Palm Springs. Black male again entered in and removed without payment. And then on 3/27/2024 at approximately 16:30 hours, CVS located at 245 South Military Trail in West Palm Beach. Two subjects entered into the location without payment.
Authorities say the investigation began on March 26, 2024, after a retail theft was reported at a Walgreens in West Palm Beach. As detectives reviewed the case, they were assisted by multiple retailers, including CVS, Publix, Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, and Saks Fifth Avenue, who provided surveillance footage and documentation. Investigators say this evidence quickly linked a series of thefts across Palm Beach and Broward counties.
That's all that we have documented at this time.
Okay, and on behalf of CVS, would you like to prosecute for these crimes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Is there anything else of importance that you think you should add?
No, sir.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, and do you swear that everything you're about to tell me is true and correct?
Yes.
Thank you. And this is a visual and audio recorded statement. Mr. Gonzalez, can you tell me what company you're with, your position, approximately how long you've been with the company?
So I've worked for Walgreens for 25 years. My current role is a major crimes investigator in the Asset Protection Solutions department.
Okay.
So I was contacted by Detective Apple, referenced this matter that there were numerous thefts occurring in the Palm Beach market. So I was working closely with another Asset Protection Solutions Asset Protection Manager in Walgreens. Her name is Deborah. Looking into a few different incidents, all in the Palm Beach market, where we had suspects that were in a blue Honda Civic, and they were going in and stealing different items from inside the numerous stores. Specifically, if I want to go into each incident now, or
was there a general type of merchandise that they were stealing?
yes, regular retail items that we sell off the shelves.
Okay, and remember specifically if there was certain things that they were targeting?
Right now, from recollection, I'm sorry, I don't remember.
Okay.
But there were numerous item lists that we created, that the Walgreens chain created and provided for evidence.
Okay. All right, so with that said, we have approximately 15 incidents, I believe it is. Do you know the exact count?
Yes, it is 15.
15 incidents, okay. And of the video that you provided me for each of these incidents, can you attest that it has not been altered in any way, and that each video is an accurate depiction of the incidents?
Yes, and I provided all of the video to yourself, Detective Apple, for this investigation.
Okay. And with that said, I'm going to ask you to go through each of the incidents one by one.
Okay. So the first incident that I have recorded was back on March 1st, 2024. There were two black male suspects that came in and stole about 10 items. All of these incidents are incidents that I had reviewed on CCTV and once again provided to Detective Apple for purposes of the investigation.
Okay, fantastic. On behalf of Walgreens, would you like to prosecute for all of these incidents?
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you. This is Detective Apple ID number 24109. Today is October 1st, 2024. Current time is 13:29 hours. And Mr. Barrett, can you just give me a brief synopsis of your position and what company you're with and approximately how long you've been in your role?
Sure. I am employed by the Publix Supermarkets, Inc. I've been employed with Publix since 2018.
Okay. All right. Thank you. And so this is going to be referenced multiple case numbers, and you have provided me with video in reference to these multiple incidents. Can you swear or attest that the video that you've provided to me is a true and accurate depiction of the incident and that it has not been altered in any way?
To the best of my knowledge, yes.
Okay.
It was brought to my attention through you, sir, Detective Apple, about a group that was targeting stores, which include Publix, and essentially they were coming into the store and what we call is doing a straight push out.
Investigators say three primary suspects, Ariel, 29, Lee Quinton, 27, and Eddie, 33, were involved in a coordinated retail theft operation targeting high-value items. Authorities say the group carried out more than 35 thefts between January and July 2024, stealing items like laundry detergent, luxury fragrances, and designer clothing, which ultimately led to multiple arrests, including Eddie being taken into custody later in the investigation.
Push out means that they were using a grocery cart. In plain view, you could see the container, and they were simply bypassing or not providing payment. And they obviously were hitting a number of stores through our Miami division area. Mainly, I believe it was in the Palm Beach area, if not all of them.
Okay.
We did not give this person permission to remove his items without payment. We desire to press charges.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to add before we conclude the interview?
That is it.
Okay.
Good morning. Sheriff's Office. How are you? Good. I need to talk to Eddie.
Eddie?
Yes, your son. Go get him, please.
No?
Go get Eddie.
Man, go get him.
Go get him now.
Me?
Yes, you. Go get Eddie right now. Go get Eddie right now. Look in all the bathrooms. Pull up all the sheets. Go get him right now. Marlon, she's just walking around confused. Just keep holding. Get Eddie right now. I just saw you talking to him. Get Eddie right now. Have him come out of the house. He has a warrant for his arrest. Go get him. His mother, Edie Annie, go get him right now. Or else I'm going to put a dog in this house and he's going to get bit. Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Good. Come here. You, come here. You, come here. Now. Come. Come. Come here.
You need to take your shoes.
Eddie, I'll let you do all that, brother. All right? Come out. We're going to put you in cuffs. All right? And I'll let you write all your phone numbers down. All right, come to me right now. Eddie! Eddie! Face away from us and walk backwards.
Put the pencil and all that.
Drop the pencil. I'm going to let you take all that.
Drop
Don't
all
worry
that,
about it.
dude.
Turn around. Face that way. Face that way. Face that way. Walk backwards slowly. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Will you? No.
Put your wrists together, bro. Put your hands together. Put your wrists together.
Eddie, do you know why we're here?
Yes.
Okay. You know why we're here?
Yes.
Confirm your name for me. Okay.
Took you so long to come out, man.
Just ago, I was trying to get a number on the phone.
Brother, I'll let you do all that. If you just come out, we got you. What do you want to take?
Huh?
What do you need? You want your phone?
The number. Like I just need my kid's number and my
Okay.
mom numbers. That's it.
You wrote them down on that piece of paper?
Yeah.
Okay, look at me. I'm gonna let you write everything down. All right? That's why I wanted you to just come out. Once you're in our custody, we're good. You could call her from the jail. Any other phone numbers, she'll be able to tell you, okay? You understand? Okay, ma'am. Look at me. He's got an arrest warrant, okay? He's got to go to the Palm Beach County Jail. He's got a pretty hefty bond. All right, it's almost $200,000. 200,000. Okay? $20,000 to get him out. I'll fix him at the car, okay?
According to investigators, the operation went beyond simple theft, with stolen goods allegedly being resold through social media platforms for profit. Authorities say the case expanded further after uncovering evidence pointing to the distribution of controlled substances. Investigators also noted that the level of coordination and repeated activity elevated the case to a larger organized retail theft and racketeering investigation.
I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any question. Do you understand your rights, Mr. Etienne?
Yes.
I'm sorry?
Yes.
You understand your rights?
Yes.
Do you wish to speak with me?
What? I said
Well, I'm here to talk to you about the reason why you were just now arrested. So, would you like to talk to me about that?
yeah. What am I asking?
Okay. So first of all, do you understand your charges? Do you understand your charges? Do you understand what you've been charged with?
No.
Okay. So here's a copy of your warrant. All right. And on here, your first charge is conspiracy to commit racketeering. The next charge is organized retail theft. Then there's a charge of grand theft, and there's a charge of unlawful use of two-way communication device. Okay. Did you know that you had a warrant out for your arrest prior to today?
Yes.
Do you know who else was arrested as part of your case?
Yeah.
What are their names?
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah.
Ariel? Okay. How do you know Ariel?
To a friend.
Through a friend?
Yeah.
How long have you known Ariel?
I don't know what it is.
I don't understand.
I said I don't know what exactly.
Oh, okay. Months, years?
Years.
Okay, years, okay. So all of these incidents, there's a lot of them. And what I'm hoping is going to happen here is I'm hoping we can just talk about this and you can be honest with me. In a nutshell, it's pretty clear what you and Ariel have been doing together. This PC affidavit's 83 pages long that have documented everything. Is there a reason why the two of you did what you've done?
I really have addiction, that's what.
I don't understand. You gotta say that.
I said I have addiction.
You have an addiction?
Yeah, that's
You have a drug problem?
yeah.
What kind of drugs?
I get some box here and I have a cigarette in my bag.
So if I'm understanding you correctly, you have an addiction to Percocet and ibuprofen. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
And it's no secret that this is all shoplifting cases. You understand that? So were you shoplifting to get money for your addiction? Okay. Okay. This is July 20th, Nordstrom Rack, Delray Beach. Is that you in that picture?
Yeah.
Did you say yes? Yeah, I just want to make sure I'm understanding correctly. Yes, okay. So I know that's a few months back. When you say you've stopped, is that near the end of when you stopped?
Yes.
Okay. So you've been charged with several things here, okay? The first one is conspiracy to commit racketeering. Racketeering covers a lot more than just your individual shoplifting cases. So as part of that, that's why we've included incidents that you've already been charged with. Okay, it's not like we're charging you again. We're including it in here because it's just kind of part of that charge. I'm sure you'll have an attorney and I'm sure that they can explain that to you in more detail. But it's not like you're being charged with that specific incident a second time. That is not the case. Okay, so at this point, you'd like to talk to an attorney?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what happened to me.
No, that is absolutely your right. We'll go ahead and discontinue the interview. So we're going to go ahead and discontinue the interview. I'm going to go ahead and turn the recorder off. And the current time is 9:09 hours.
Authorities say all three suspects, Eddie, Ariel, and Lequinton, are facing the same charges, including conspiracy to commit racketeering, organized retail theft, dealing in stolen property, and one count of unlawful use of a two-way communication device. According to investigators, this case centers around an organized retail theft ring operating across multiple counties in South Florida. Authorities say Eddie played a major role in the operation and was initially on the run before being taken into custody on December 31st, 2024. The investigation began on March 26th after a theft at a Walgreens in West Palm Beach, but quickly expanded as detectives linked the group to more than 35 thefts over a 4-month period. Officials say the suspects targeted major retail stores, stealing high-value items such as laundry detergent, luxury fragrances, and designer clothing. Investigators allege the group worked in a coordinated system, using a vehicle registered to Ariel to travel between locations, while others carried out the thefts inside the stores. Authorities also say digital evidence, including cell phone data and financial transactions, showed planning and the resale of stolen items through online platforms, with evidence suggesting involvement in the distribution of controlled substances. What's your take? Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more case breakdowns.